You know when you have a sibling and you can be mean to them and you can be horrible to them, but if anybody else is mean to them, oh no, not outside the family, that's not allowed. At the end of this video, I would ask that you would stay and watch, because I did some special footage with a new tool that I have. As you can tell, my hand's right here, it's holding something. So I want you to watch this. I'm gonna set it to some kind of music. It'll be after my story. So I'd really appreciate if you check it out, put in the comment sections what you think about it. So I've been driving for about 6 months. Didn't deserve to be part of this. So I'm going down I-70, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, this pickup truck comes off the entrance ramp. And he's bound and determined he's gonna get in front of me, but he doesn't quite make it. Well, he shoots around me, gets behind the semi in front of me, slams on his brakes, ends up bringing us down to about 10 miles an hour on the highway. I have this friend, his name is Adam. I'm gonna play you his commercial. He's not paying me a dime for this. It's because he's a good guy and he looks out for truckers and he's doing something amazing. So check this out. If you're interested, go to his website. I get nothing for this.
Hi, my name is Adam. You may know me from my YouTube channel, DIY Semi. I own trucks, work on trucks, and operate a small fleet of trucks out of Wisconsin. And just like you, I know that one of my biggest expenses is fuel. Over the years, I've gotten kind of tired of these big trucking organizations and fuel card companies keeping a large portion of the fuel discounts that was intended for me. So I've gone ahead and created my own fuel card, the first of its kind, the first fuel card made by a trucker for truckers. Because sometimes if what you need doesn't exist, you just have to go out there and do it yourself. So I've partnered with major truck stop chains such as Ambest, Speedway, and Casey's, and many others to bring you the best cost plus fuel pricing available on the market today. To get more information, go to my YouTube channel, DIY Semi, or go to my website, DIYsemi.com, to fill out an application and get more information and start saving money on fuel today.
Well, the other semi trucks that are around me saw what happened and they decided, you know what, that ain't right. But so they boxed this guy in, and for about 20 miles they got this guy boxed in. He can't get around him in any way, shape, or form. At one point he even tried to go over on the side of the road. They wouldn't let him do it, and so he had no choice. He eventually calmed down after probably 10 or 15 miles, and when the other rigs thought they had enough fun with him, they let him go. But that was the day I learned about the trucking brotherhood. I didn't know what was going on because I was new into the business. I had no idea what the brotherhood of trucking meant. You know, now I get it. After all these years, I understand that we look out for each other. We do what we have to do to protect each other, and you know, try to help each other out any way we can. And not just to go for truckers, we help a lot of people out, general citizens and people out on the highway. I appreciate you watching, and remember, stay for the video at the end and let me know what you think. Always remember, truckers are people too. John is coming through!